All right, we are looking now at Chapter 7, Exercise 7.5, Sentence 3. Not really a sentence. This is a long prepositional phrase, too hard work in the design phase of the project by the red team. The important thing to look at here is the structure of the prepositional phrases and what they modify. So in the design phase, that prepositional phrase modifies work, and of the project modifies as phase, and by the red team modifies work. So our diagram has to reflect those dependencies. So let's do what we always do. Let's capture the entire prepositional phrase. It is a prepositional phrase, so let's just put it up here. The first thing we'll have is to, and we'll isolate that as a preposition. And then the important thing to see is that everything else is a noun phrase that is the complement of that preposition. Everything. Okay, so it's to and then everything else, which is the prepositional complement. To, hard work in the design phase of the project by the red team. Now we have to start isolating what these things are. Hard is an attributive adjective and the modifier of work. Modifies work. Work, of course, is a noun that is the prepositional complement of to. Now, in the design phase of the project, okay, in the design phase of the project is one entire prepositional phrase. Where in is itself a preposition, and it modifies work. And now we have the design phase. Well, the design phase of the project is the complement of that preposition. So it's an NP, and then we have an article, determiner, and then we have design phase, we'll just make that essentially one noun, leave that together. And that's the prepositional complement. Now we have another prepositional phrase of the project. And then we have of here, and that's a preposition. Okay, and that modifies phase. And then the project, we'll just keep that a triangle for the moment. That's another NP. And that is the prepositional complement of the of. Okay, now by the red team, is part of the larger NP. And we call that a prepositional phrase. It's a preposition. This is the prepositional complement, or NP. Red team is adjective, and then red is adjective, and team is the noun. Okay, so let's see what we have. So the red team is okay, that is a prepositional complement. Red is the modifier of team. The is the determiner. Okay, it's the determiner. By modifies work. To is an adverbial complement, because we're assuming that this is, it owes to the hard work and the design phase of the project by the red team. Of the project is a prepositional complement. The red team is a prepositional complement. Here we have, this is work in the design phase of the project. Okay, that's a prepositional complement. Here we have this prepositional phrase, which is in the design phase of the project. To hard work in the design phase of the project and that is a modifier let's see. This modifies work, okay, because this is in the design phase of the project. And this whole thing is going to be an adverbial complement. Okay. I think we are done, except, well, we still have these triangles, so if we want to get rid of them, we can just say that this is an article, this is a determiner, this is the noun, this is the prepositional complement, and design phase, design, interestingly enough, is a noun, so we can have these noun compounds. And so this is the prepositional complement, and we can say that this modifies phase. Okay, so I think everything is taken care of. So we're done for now.